Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Southeast Asia Brewing, a podcast where we invite guests who are building projects in Southeast Asia or offering products to the Southeast Asian markets. Today we have a very interesting guest, Konstantin from Bridge23. Welcome. Thanks a lot for being here and taking the time to talk to us. Maybe give a short intro about yourself, your upbringing, education, and your inspiration.
My name is Konstantin, is first fact. I study for the artist. Start my career, as an entrepreneur, I make as a graffiti company and we make the big banners in the house.
Okay.
But this is a lot of time ago. Yeah, after I work as a day trader in the stock exchange. We have our office and we work like a scalpers, market making. We'll do a lot of stuff like your office.
Yeah.
Yeah, and after I move finally, but my hobby all time is the tech and the coding, something like this, and we make as a bots, algorithms, robots. But 3 years ago, when we moved to Bali, I'm totally start research. As it depends from my old work, would I research some company like a Salesforce, and they all. I like Web3 concept. Mm-hmm. I'm trade. I'm not invest to Bitcoin. Speculate in the crypto or something like this. And I see a lot of potential in NFT, and I find a few things in the Salesforce where they all try to integrate the NFT and the Web3 or crypto, but they make a very strange stuff, like make your own smart contract for big company, like for beer company, Nike, Starbucks, and the price for make smart contract $50,000, and I think, what the shit is you open Web3 provider? Yeah. Web3, I forget the name, SDK, and you can make your own smart contract like 1 minute. Just write as a my Starbucks contract.
It's open source, right?
Yes, sure. As a make as a smart contract for NFT or for launch your token is easy. It's so fast work. Yeah, and after we make as a small project, my friend restaurant in Bali, like NFT loyalty card.
Okay.
Where people send the pictures to chatbot, we make NFT cocktails. You send your this is bar. You send your cocktail. In Mid-Journey we generate you like a cyberpunk cocktail, and send you back your NFT to your wallet. You give your wallet address, and we send you this picture. And after a few weeks, people start more back or use it like fun, and they start send pictures from different places. And I think, But they have a little bit trouble with customers because in the bar is few party in week, but general they don't go to dinner or for lunch. And I think, look, they eat this, and we make a market intelligence because we know what they're doing in a different place. This is first step to data economy. And they send more, they start change the menu for food and beverage. And next time now they open different place, and this is now breakfast and lunch because it's most popular what people are doing from this restaurant.
That's what people are doing here, healthy lifestyle.
Yeah, and same case I find in the Salesforce, what they try to integrate customer 360 degree, like know your customer, a lot of stuff, but all they use like Web 2 or Web 2.5 tools, just like they don't ask anything at your customer. They just use it. And maybe is that if you don't pay for product, you are product.
Exactly.
What we use Google for free, and
what is free, you're the product.
Yes. And but this is what they can kill with a big tech company, because Google know a lot, YouTube know. YouTube and Google are same. As a lot of company know a lot about you. But just you own your data. Just you can collect all your profile. Yeah. Because Apple know this part, Google know this part, and people spend for machine learning or find a good data set. Is all time you find there's a different part of data, and you all time think as a who is user. Yeah. But what we start create after this, I just skip some part with our pivot in our startup, and now we just ask in feedback in the forum, what do you think about the Google sell your data? All angry. But what do you think about if you receive payment from Google directly for that? all say to yes.
Yeah.
Of course, I should receive the payment for that because it's a big business, but it's real big business.
But the convenience of the Google services and of the freemium model is so strong.
Yeah.
Do you think that like owning your data at the moment in the apps, do you think the incentive to own your data and have maybe a more clunky experience is already strong enough? Or will people continue? When will the shift happen, do you think?
I think as a few parts, like personal software, like an Notion, maybe you know, we have a strong like Confluence, Atlassian and Jira to-do list or something like this. But now is a trend going to the like a Notion. What you can do, because just 2 weeks ago we start move from Jira and all this stuff, because we use it like 2 years. We have a lot of stuff in Jira. Okay. And we start moving to Notion because when I just start testing, I think, wow, page, they can do anything. Well, there's a freedom of this part. And I think the big step for this company will be like freemium?
Freemium model.
Yeah, freemium, yeah. What I ready to pay, but if I have as a multi-app, or my personal phone, like I was try to do Apple right now, like change anything what you want, but Android do
completely personalize it.
Yes. I think it can be game changer because people want more personalized. Because now I have 67 apps in phone, but I use just 3. Yeah,
this is very common. But I think you need a very strong problem for people. If the urgency is very big for people to start using like a different or like a decentralized app. So right now, maybe times are changing, but for a lot of people, they'll still pick convenience first, right?
I think we need to make a seamless experience with the decentralized and centralized is same. Because we built in the internet computer, and if you go to our app, you don't see any stuff with like sign up with wallet, open account, just 1 click and you
it's completely seamless.
Yes, but yes, totally 1 click and you already have inside the free wallet if you need. But we have it, but we don't need it. I mean, we use as a tokenized system for data, and but general is like a portfolio app. I mean, as if you use for when you add to lease some stocks or equity tokens, and you see the price. And we make up like as your data portfolio and you track it. But now as the last update from 1 week ago, when we start integrated to chat, I mean to the Telegram bot, Telegram chat, WhatsApp chat, Facebook Messenger, Kakao Talk for Korea, WeChat. What we see, what our users start use our AI agent. I mean, as a general,
And you're talking about a lot of different markets there. Do you guys also focus on localization, or because like WeChat is a very different user group than Telegram?
No, I mean, it's chatbot is easy to integrate to this app, but we understand what for this tool, like AI agents, what's the trend right now, or age of AI, what is better interface. ChatGPT have chat interface. Cloud have chat interface.
True.
Why I need 6 chat if I can move all this stuff to the Telegram interface or to WhatsApp? It's chat, But as the biggest messenger in the world, what is it? It's WhatsApp. 2 billion users. I mean, or daily use. I mean, it's a lot. It's a crazy numbers in the WhatsApp. Facebook Messenger is more specific, yes, but general, what's we think, what we talk about, how we can is like merge it or move to next step, or for Web3, just do it from chats. Or you send your data to the chat, and all these go to your own canister. I mean, as your protected container in internet computer, and you have your personal assistant train it directly on your data. After you can share it to the Apple, to the Android.
Can you talk about a little bit about the personal assistant?
What we build now, what we built in Bridge23, this is your personal AI agents, but it's not just one AI agent, it's agentic web. It's a lot of agents, like 7 right now. One assists you as your finance data, browser data, social media data, travel data, healthcare data. And you have as a general agent is Prometheus. who talk with you every
Prometheus,
time.
yeah.
Prometheus. And its agent train it on your data from all sources.
Wow.
And this is first point. He know anything about you. He can ask you some questions. For example, at me last week, what he started to do is the facts about users. I buy a lot of Royal Canin pets food, and he asked me, "Do you have cats or dogs?"
Okay.
I answered, "Cats." How much? Why you answer me what's the how much? Because I buy like a 20 pack every week because I have 8 cats in Bali. And he said, because I said, okay, I send you reminder next time, what's the end of week, you need buy new pack. I mean, as a reminder for shopping list. And yeah, this cool tool, for example, if you go to Bangkok on next week, he find hotel for you because at GPT, OpenAI, at the GPT search, but he send you general information like Bangkok is cool place, blah, 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 or you need know the prompt. My favorite preference, this. I mean, as a prompt engineering, it's not easy work. And yeah, you need to understand what you're to do because a lot of people think that ChatGPT is stupid, but it's not ChatGPT stupid. What do you give them?
It's what the prompts can be very elaborate. And that's,
Yeah, because it's why the agentic web is future personalized agents. Yeah, and this is in our case, we built a small fine-tuned model on your data.
Okay.
And this is your perfect assistant for you. But next step was your personal agentic, know your ideal customer profile. Portrait, ideal customer portrait.
Let's go a little bit back. Can you talk to us about Bridge23 and give a broad overview for the users what it is?
Bridge23 is a personal assistant platform where personal AI agent train business AI agent. And this give access to user, take new economic opportunity and revenue from data sharing.
Amazing. And it's blockchain based. Is there a token involved or not?
Yeah, we have token, but it's not like meme coin or something tradable. I mean, we tokenize, as they call it, data bridge unit of data. What's every string? I mean, as a one data unit, like one glass is one data unit. One Coca-Cola is one data unit. You buy 10 Coca-Cola is 10 data units. You rent bike first day is a first data unit because it's all part of information. So if you rent bike for one day, it's 1 unit. First day is 30 units. Data about you.
Okay.
Yeah, we tokenize this and all these data sets. I mean, all your profile, all your information, store it in the internet computer storage, is a blockchain storage, and you have access to that from your internet identity. But this storage connect to the multiple interface. I mean, what we start to do now is multiple messengers, but generally this work in the one in your personal container.
Okay.
Yeah.
And it's private.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Sure. Yeah, but we work on to do it as 100% private, but because now we is a beta version and some stuff we're still training in AWS or we use a lot of services. But as for example, your models or your final data set is just in your part because.
And will eventually all that data be stored on ICP?
Yes.
Okay, that's the future.
No, it's already live, but we still need more power, for more GPU for training or something like this. We use the Web 2 services for make it faster. But in future, we move it totally to ICP.
And can you talk us through how the privacy model works for in an easy to understand way, in simple terms?
Every unit of your data.
Yeah.
Every unit of your data have specific hash.
Yeah.
And when any model, take as what you train your agent, and he have number every line of what you upload for them, and all conversation with them, he make tokenized it.
Okay.
And after, for example, any restaurant from Canggu or any Starbucks go to our platform and say, okay, I want improve my marketing in the Bali. I need all people who buy coffee last time in Canggu in this price range. And they set up their Prometheus. and he go to the marketplace.
The users, or the user set up the permissions, or the...
No, this is business side. I mean,
this is the business side.
Yeah. And
okay,
after this, business agent from Starbucks go to our agentic web and start ask, "Hi, hello guys, I am the Prometheus from Starbucks.
Yeah.
I need all information about this parameter, and I'm ready to pay like $5 for every data set." And after this, as agents who have this data, they said, "I'm ready to sell to you by $7, blah blah blah," and they start trade between like solutions as try to find the consensus make a deal. And after this data transferred to Starbucks, and not to Starbucks, I mean to Starbucks agent, and Starbucks transfer money what they use for data usage.
Okay.
And after this, Starbucks take insight about your customers, and they can improve the marketing, ads or something like this, or send target ads in our app, like Telegram, like Facebook stories. And you also will receive the money for personalized offer or something like this. I mean, they pay not for clicks in Google. They pay what they know 100% what you relevant client. What's you really buy coffee every day, and this is better pay to you $1 for show you these ads. This better than pay $1 to Google and take 1,000 clicks from India, for example.
Yeah, that's a beautiful future. How do you see something like this to hit economies of scale? Like, how do you see this become massive, where millions of users are?
I think it's revenue. I mean, it's because this can be
the revenue incentive for users.
In our idea, yes, but now we see was a lot of people already pay for it, for personal assistant, real personal assistant. Yeah, because we already last week we have first $100 for Prometheus usage. Cool, but generally we base on, for example, in Indonesia, if you take as a $200 or $300 every month for your data portfolio, this can be a huge revenue for Indonesian.
You're talking about $200 of potential. What a user can get for their data.
Yeah, if you have,
that's like close to the minimum wage.
Yeah.
For
and the price will be grow every year. I mean, as if you upload data every month or every week.
Okay.
And you work on your portfolio, or your model portfolio, and you provide correct data, it's really help business grow. Mm-hmm. Any business or research or something like this.
This sounds like an amazing job for Gen Z.
Yes, we call it data miner.
Who don't really want to work hard manual
because
labor.
If Tesla Optimus moved to manufacturing or a lot of work 2 years later, our work is provide correct data for AI.
Yeah.
And this is real new work, but and in this case, for example, your meme coin portfolio all time go down, but your data portfolio is you just track anything all time go up, because if you have 1 year,
that's your stability. It could be your stability, right?
Yes. If you, I think if you have real portfolio for 5 years or 10 years, it's crazy money.
And do you also think the Indonesian market is like the primary market where you want to enter? Is it an ideal user, the Indonesian?
Maybe not ideal, but this is our first market because we're based in Indonesia, and this is big market. I mean, there's a lot of people, a lot of young people.
Consumers market?
Yes, sure. Because it's for company like Cola, Danone is a very big market. Because this is our first customers. Is a big company, because for them, spend few $1 million for research, for deep research. A restaurant in Canggu is not our primary client because they can't understand.
But it's an interesting case, right?
Yes, in future, yes, they can already use it, but for them we need more, maybe a few years later when we have 15% people from Bali inside this app or something like this. Yeah, it is relevant, but now I think for them it's not a big deal. But for big company, every change or more detail about any stuff is billions $.
Yeah.
Also, if you and in this case you don't need create new product, you need to stop made product what they don't anyone buy, like a Coca-Cola with pineapple. You don't need to create Coca-Cola with pineapple. It's enough, and you save few $1 billion.
So they can actually run tests.
Yes,
and gauge sort of sentiment or like
whatever
taste
all this
or
stuff.
interests. Yeah.
We don't test it ago, but now we finished interface for business for looking how they will use it. I mean, for better understand what they need in this case. And for e-commerce, for example, Amazon sellers, Tokopedia sellers, Shopify is so important for understand as a regional market because for them order products or something like this, if you're not drop shipper, it's crazy. If you buy a lot of stuff, how you sell it if it's not what they need.
Yeah.
But in our case, they better can understand audience because we have a lot of interview from Amazon sellers and from marketplace sellers. Yeah,
we know that there's a lot of drop shippers in Bali. Do you talk to them regularly?
In Bali, no. We more talk you guys from US and from Uzbekistan, from Russia, from Russia, who trade in a different market. Yeah, but with Tokopedia sellers, I think they have same problem. Because the marketplaces general not provide a lot of information for research. You need just pay to Amazon for promote your product, but you don't know about your audience, nothing. No, I mean, you know a little bit, but you need know like more detail from different shops, what you can offer more. But a lot of marketplace includes Amazon, but I mean, I don't know about Amazon, but I know this case in Uzbekistan and Russian, what they take a lot of sellers, and after marketplace start provide their products, and they kill all with sellers, because they already know anything what the market really need. And a lot of sellers hate the centralized marketplaces, for they use their information and don't give them access to it.
What is on the roadmap for Bridge23? Where are you right now in the development? What are features or plans that are ahead for the project?
Now we full run first 3 agents, the Mercurius, Prometheus, and Olympus for research and hard analyze data. In Telegram, you already can chat with your Prometheus, and in Telegram mini app or in the web app, you can upload your data and you will receive the information about you. What we have right now, we have 3,000 users, first 3,000 users in the app, and now
that should be enough to test, right?
Yes, we plan to take 1,000, but it's a little bit more,
And it's mostly Indonesians?
Yeah. 95% Indonesian,
Nice.
I don't know how it's happened, but it's very cool.
Well, that's a good bunch.
Yeah. But we have some trouble with it's airdrops or something like this, because our token or this is not about airdrops, because you from airdrops you take $10, $20, but
there's no speculative elements, right?
Yeah, because you much more earn from your data portfolio.
Of course,
what we can promise.
There's real utility. Actually.
Yes, and in the next step, end of year, we plan launch in the WhatsApp chat. I mean, as a make same interface in WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger, because in Indonesia, most popular is not Telegram, is WhatsApp. For connect with Prometheus and improve the data analytics, data storage, connect the browser. We work on this right now. It's like to Google Chrome, or just connect your Google account to your agent, and he automatically will take the info from YouTube, from Google. I mean, as from Google services. Also, it's Apple and Facebook. What we can to do? We're working on this right now. And also, as a fun fact, when everyone can take data from Google or from Apple, and when I made the Google takeout, and I'm surprised how much data they have about me. Like 12 gigabytes of data. 12.
How did you figure this out?
You just go with take my data from Google account, and they redirect you to site Google takeout. You sign in to your account and press I won't take data about YouTube, Google, and if you have Android, is like about application, and they prepare it 1-2 days, and they send you link to the Gmail, and you upload their
And
file.
it was 12 gigs purely about you.
Yes.
Your behavior.
This is,
your
no. It's just static information like Google. Maps, Navigator. About anything what I do. But
That's amazing.
I don't read all, but when I open about Google Maps, because I never think as a, with a notification like
Of course.
track your. I think okay, it's like use cookie. I think you can do anything, and they know about me anything, because I don't know about myself. But Google know much more.
It's pretty scary if you think about it. Right?
Yes. App activity, where I watch, what I watch on the YouTube, any comments, any playlist. All.
And did you decide to do this because you wanted to go off Google, or did you wanted to have your data and?
I do it to upload it to my agent.
Okay.
Yeah, I do it for that, but why you need to do it for different goal, I don't know.
No.
Because yes, you upload your data, but Google still have access to your data.
Of course. So they just share it with you, basically.
Yeah. It's like it's called as a private policy or GDPR. What every user should have access, download, delete, and do anything with your data. If you know now that all websites add the privacy policy, take my data or something like this. It's a lot of stuff about that.
Interesting. Let's talk a little bit about your perspective, industry perspective on AI. And I'm curious how, for example, we started using obviously AI chatbots as sort of a like a small superpower. Can you talk us through how that data will be monetized in the future?
You mean in our app or
just in chatbots in general that people are using?
In our app, in Bridge23?
Yes.
You start monetize data what you upload to bot. files, the receipts, history browser, because you train as a business agents.
Okay.
Because you improve the all around you. What maybe you heard from Elon Musk, what he said was our work in age of AI is just provide correct data. If you talk about Terminator, I'm a little bit scary about that, but I think it's impossible.
You still think you still see it as we are in control?
Because now current AI stage is not like AGI.
It's not sentient or anything.
It's just as a word prediction or something like this. And we don't see, but maybe our tool and our data sets, maybe this is first step for AGI, because we have like every user like actors, not just users. Because now it's more like if current models improve business for big step in the text writing, task optimization, something like this, what can happen when the agent really will understand what you do? When your employee will be really AI agent, who understand time of work, goal of company. Not remember from text, when he really start think about this like object to object, and think about this like action. What he wake up today, or for example, his working time from 7 a.m. and he start thinking, how I can improve it today? Because today your chatbot can do this. Just you send him task, he did it. But when the agents start think like how I can do it better or find some new solution, this is next step. This is agents web, what we call it, or agents to agents economy, when the agent can to meet with agents. And this is what we think about right now.
Can you talk to me a little bit about the competition that you guys as a project are in as a AI blockchain project? Do you feel fierce competition from other projects or?
OpenAI? Okay,
you're like that's the main competition you see it, or are there any other players in the crypto industry?
In crypto, really, I don't know. No, I know with because we include the data marketplace, Ocean protocol. and something like this, but they provide more general information about transactions. I don't know like how we can use it, or I mean as a how we can adopt it to Web 2, or because Bridge23 is a bridge between Web 2 and Web 3. I mean as a, what we integrate not crypto to fiat, we integrate as a Web 2 technology to Web 3. And yeah, but I know some few projects in AI, but I'm not. I still not understand why they what they're doing in this space.
And do you see like having blockchain integrated into the project? Offers it purely benefit, or is it also?
It's mostly about security.
It's mostly about the security.
Yes, security, in identity.
Yeah.
Like a KYC and crypto.
But is there an added hurdle for adoption? Because people still have to interact with the wallet, or do you don't?
Well, in our app, you don't need. If you want, you can interact with wallet. If you want, you can send to your PayPal or to your bank account. It's no problem.
Okay, so it's purely blockchain is purely used for the tokenization and the security element.
Yes, and storage, and and storage. But for tokenization, we can use any blockchain like a based on. Now we use based on and ICP, but in general is a big benefit from internet computer. What is you can easily from one internet identity. I mean from internet computer account. You can, by one click, work in any place, in any blockchain. If you need transfer, for example, USDT from TRC20 or from Ethereum or from Base to this, you can have just one account. And you can add any numbers of chain, how much you need to use. And for us, what we can tokenize data units. In cross-chain. For example, if the guys in US have Base wallet or something like this, for them we can, and for regulation, we can tokenize it in the Base chain, but it's still controlled from internet computer. In Indonesia or in Russia, not in Russia, I mean, where there's so popular Telegram, we can tokenize it in Telegram from Ton. In Asia, we can tokenize it in Solana, Ethereum, or any chains. I mean, we can tokenize in chain in the different region, in the different chains, and it's easy because our token is like just sign like a few hash.
That's amazing. So it's chain agnostic.
Internet computer is because a lot of guys sign up to our app and they think when they work on Ton. But yes, we have Ton and Ethereum, but it's all internet computer because internet computer is not like competitor for Ethereum. This is pretty different. This is internet computer, is a cloud computing, real cloud computing, and all our app is a front end, back end, every line of code work on internet computer. Because in Ethereum or in different chain, it's impossible. But in internet computer is like first is like
because of the performance and the scalability, these things are possible.
Yes. Internet computer is.
So the vision of the internet computer is really coming to life, would you say?
It's already live. You already can do anything.
Of course, Very interesting. Thank you. I have another question, like a funny question maybe. How do you see the future of work with the advent of AI? How do you see things evolve over the next 5 to 10 years? There's a lot of talk about we won't be working anymore, everything will be done for us. What do you think the time frame and do you see the future of work?
I think more study or read book. I mean, I think we will work less. I mean, physical or go to the down demand on that side. But is think more about prompt engineering for AI, because I think in CV you all time need your prompting level. We also now think a lot what the all stuff what we have our employee we have right now is just middleman between me and ChatGPT. for most part of work, as it includes a coding or something like this. Because
and creative prompting also requires a level of intelligence.
Yes,
obviously.
yes.
And you see that is only going to increase the need for that.
Yeah, before we create the agent for create prompts or optimize the prompting for, we now also work on this when the user asks something at agent, or we have special middle agent between agent and you, who think what this can mean. Maybe he mean not like find the space, but he can translate it better for agent. Optimize your message to the more clarify your prompt, what you can mean in this part. But it's still like not good stuff. I mean, it's not real AI. It's still like the big chain of solutions, and it look like smart, but it's still not smart. But and we go to space, I think. I mean, as a occupy Mars.
That's an exciting.
This is main goal. Yeah,
idea.
Is a multi. Yeah. It's 100%. Is like a new city in Moon. Here we need work a lot. Is what the make civilization in Moon, in the Mars, and cross planet civilization.
So we'll be.
And I think it will be faster
that.
than we can think right now. What they in this deal not AI agents. I mean, as now if Musk can go in the one rocket, like taxi. His next step is open new planet, I think.
That'd be great. I'm very excited for that. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for coming to Southeast Asia Brewing. Anything? How can our users get involved with Bridge23?
I think you can provide link.
We will.
Yeah,
for sure.
I send link in the Telegram.
Yeah.
Now is a Telegram mini app, and you can set up. And today or tomorrow we finish as a clear guideline how to use it, because now is like a start, blah blah blah. It's not a lot of instruction, but
you're still deep into the tech.
Yes.
A
lot of people call us, guys, we want to invest to you. Can you little bit explain how we can, because we have a lot of video how Prometheus ask something or to do it. How to do it?
You're still in the heads down building phase. Now that's good to hear.
Yeah, because this 3,000 users is just last month. We don't waiting. We think was this little bit late, but in my mind it's still as a 250, like 1 month before.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's the modesty is always. I think that's very good for project for founder.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, thanks again for coming, and we're gonna test it out ourselves. We'll share the links, and we'll keep following everything you're doing. And thanks.
Yeah, thank you.
Thanks for tuning in to Southeast Asia Brewing. Don't forget to like and subscribe for our following podcasts. See you next time.